Hey everyone! So, I got my hands on this Wakanui 4-cup turner for crafts, and I've been putting it through its paces. I'm really into making tumblers, and a good turner is essential, so I was excited to try this one out. First impressions? It's pretty slick. The setup was super easy, no tools required, which is always a win. Basically, it's mostly pre-assembled, you just attach the tube, and you're good to go. Perfect for beginners, or even if you're a seasoned crafter like me who just doesn't want to mess around with complicated instructions. One of the things I noticed right away is how quiet it is. They've upgraded it with a bearing ball to reduce noise, and it definitely makes a difference. My old turner sounded like a small airplane taking off, so this is a huge improvement. Plus, there's a little power indicator light, which is handy for checking if it's running, especially if you're working in a dimly lit area or letting it spin overnight. The speed is perfect for crafting a nice, slow 4 to 5 RPM. This ensures your epoxy or glitter spreads evenly and dries properly. No more wonky, uneven finishes. And speaking of different finishes, this kit comes with 3 different foam sizes, so it can handle a variety of tumbler sizes, from your smaller 8-ounce ones all the way up to the big 35-ounce tumblers. They've even included a drying rack, which is a nice touch. Now, one of the coolest features is the independent switch control. Each of the 4 arms has its own switch, so you can control them individually. Need to turn just 2 cups? No problem. Need to turn all 4? Easy peasy. And you can switch the rotation direction too, clockwise or counterclockwise, which is great for different crafting techniques. I've been using this turner for a few different projects now, and I'm really impressed with how well it performs. It's smooth, quiet, and versatile. The multiple cup size compatibility is a huge plus, and the individual arm control gives you a lot of flexibility. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-use cup turner, I definitely recommend checking this one out. It's a great value for the price, and it's made crafting so much easier and more enjoyable. The brand, Wakanui, seems to be focused on quality crafting tools, and this turner definitely lives up to that. So, yeah, 2 thumbs up for me. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Happy crafting!
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.